Hello everybody, in this video I will show you a new feature of Instagram. Instagram has just rolled out video chat feature. You can call your video call your friends through Instagram. Now let's initiate Instagram. Okay, Instagram is just started. Okay, now let's go to people. I will swipe to left. As you can see your contacts, and if you want to add a person you can go to top right corner and tap on plus icon. But if the person is here, you can start a video chat directly. Now tap on a person that you want to video chat with. Okay, I will select one here. And as you can see, previously on top right hand side corner there was an eye icon, information icon. Right now there is a video chat icon, and if I tap on video chat icon I will start a video chat. Okay, that's all. That's so much easy. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.